Hello, my name is Gil Hoy, and I'm the owner and founder of the law offices of Gilbert R. Hoy Jr. and Affiliates. We are a Massachusetts plaintiff's personal injury law firm, and we specialize in aviation accident cases. If you or a loved one has been injured or tragically killed in a plane accident, in a helicopter accident, or in any other type of aviation accident, please call our expert Massachusetts personal injury lawyers today at 617-787-3700. I am very proud to be able to let you know that our Massachusetts aviation accident attorney specialists, who are available to all of our Massachusetts personal injury clients through referral agreements, have been regularly recognized and honored for their superlative skills and talents. Our aviation accident attorneys have been named by Boston Magazine as Massachusetts Super Lawyers, as New England Super Lawyers, by the Boston Globe as Boston's Best Lawyers, as Lawyers of the Year, and also for inclusion in the national publication, The Best Lawyers in America. So whatever types of injuries you or a loved one has sustained in whatever type of aviation accident, please call us today at 617-787-3700. Our lawyers are available 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. It costs you absolutely nothing to speak with one of our expert lawyers now. We always provide all of our Massachusetts personal injury clients with a free initial consultation, and we charge no attorney's fees, no expenses, until we first win your case and put money damages in your pocket. If it's more convenient for you, we will be happy to travel to a location of your choosing. We will come to your home, your office, any other location that is most convenient for you. So you truly have nothing to lose and everything to gain by calling us today at 617-787-3700. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We will travel to you. It costs you absolutely nothing to speak with us. My name is Gil Hoy. I look forward to speaking with you soon about your aviation accident case. I am proud of the work that our exceptional Boston lawyers have been doing for the past 25 plus years. Call us today, 617-787-3700. Again, my name is Gil Hoy, and your needs are our top priority. Thank you very much.